I'm Dr. Rajneesh Kaur Sachdev. I'm head of the department for Computer Science and Engineering and Dean for Faculty of Engineering. I'm here from MIT School of Engineering, a constituent unit of MIT Art, Design and Technology University. Friends, computer science and engineering I know is not a buzzword anymore because it is touching to our lives in different ways in every walk of our life. Whether you drive a car or you watch a movie on Netflix, whether you do a payment through Google Pay or Paytm, or you go for a vaccine registration at CoWIN, everywhere you can see an application of computer science and engineering. So this is an exciting field where every one of us want to make a career into it. And in MIT School of Engineering, we are having very unique features which is different than what others can cater. We provide project-based learning to our students which make them confident and comfortable to take up a real-time challenges from the industry when they want to pursue their internship or a live project in their final year. Apart from that, they also get an opportunity to work on research and consultancy projects which the faculties are getting from the industry or a research organization within India. And that is how the students are building up their confidence. So we provide different courses at undergraduate and postgraduate degree program. Along with that, we also have a diploma program. These courses are in the field of artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, cyber security, forensic, and many more latest technology which is needed like a cloud computing and big data. So friends, to learn these courses, we also look forward for the faculty who can support us. So faculties, I'm very proud to say that we have very well-balanced, experienced faculty with the tune of a young and dynamic faculties. They nurture and develop our students in different subjects and different technology being taught into their curriculum. To support them, we also have an industry association with the industry expert faculty as an adjunct faculty with us. We also cater a lot of software-based programs in which our students can make their learning very interesting and good way. Here, we also made an association with many academy which provides the global certification for our student for a lifelong learning like AWS, Cisco, Red Hat, VMware or Palo Alto, Blue Prism, or you talk about other technologies in which the global certification carries important value to them. All this is possible with the association with EduScale and ICT Academy collaboration with us. So friends, this is one dimension. The another dimension, you must be trying to know that how are the laboratories and the work which carried out in the laboratories. So let's go and have a look on that. So friends, we are here in one of our unique laboratory apart from all the conventional laboratories. This particular laboratory is set up for the network and hardware learning, also for Internet of Things. This is possible because of the association we had with Softech Data Technologies as well as with the Texas Instruments. The laboratories are set up with well devices which can help a student to learn the subject in depth. So this unique laboratory contribute to the students' learning and which has attracted many industry to collaborate and join with us for the research and consultancy work. Currently, Computer Science and Engineering Department is having a research and consultancy worth rupees 5 crore and in which almost around 80 students are doing their internship with the live practical hands-on onto the various field of research work. We have a collaboration with WEM Tooling India, Shimel India, ICAR Pune, also with Tech Mahindra and many more companies to name. So this association is giving opportunity to the student for different placement and internship. So friends, what for you're waiting? Come and join us. Here you can have a wonderful and bright career to shape in the best way you can think and imagine of. So friends, looking forward to meet you soon on our campus and join us for this wonderful life of computer science and engineering technology. See you soon. Take care. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.